Guys, today I will be sharing how to make Pandan Christmas tree meringue. For the ingredients, we need 3 egg whites, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3/4 cup sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of pandan. To begin, we're going to whisk the egg whites, then add the cream of tartar. Once it is frothy like this, add the salt as well. Now we're gradually going to add the sugar. I'm adding this 1 teaspoon at a time. I'm using a stand mixer, but you can use a handheld mixer to do this process. At this point, the meringue should reach steep peak stage. By the way, the speed of the stand mixer is at high. Now I'm adding the pandan essence. That's half a teaspoon at the start, and then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon. Continue mixing until the pandan essence is well combined. And this is now ready. I'm going to put this in a piping bag, and then I have a straight tube. If you don't have a straight tube piping tip, you can just use the piping bag and then cut the ends of it. That will produce the same result. So what I'm doing here is I'm piping 3 layers. The first layer is the biggest, and then the second layer is slightly smaller, and then a smaller top. So we're copying the shape of a Christmas tree. So continue piping this until you finish up with all the meringue. So what we're basically doing is pipe a circle and then another circle that is slightly smaller, and then the smallest circle on the top. Oven should be preheated at 110 degrees Celsius. Before we bake the Christmas tree meringue, I'm adding a star. This is a star sprinkle from Wilton. Or if you want to use fondant, but you have to put the star fondant after it's done baking. And then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 110 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes. And then after baking this, just turn off the oven and don't do anything. Leave the meringue in the oven for about 1 to 2 hours. This will prevent the meringue from cracking. And this is what the meringue looks like after baking and resting in the oven for 1.5 hours. Now this is an optional step. I'm adding sprinkles to decorate the Christmas tree. I'm also using melted white chocolate as a glue. If your meringue is sticky, you might not need to use white chocolate. One more time. Oh, by the way, if you can find the pandan extract that I'm using, you can use any pandan extract that you can find. Then you might need to add a little bit of green food coloring. And this is our finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is really, really good. I can guarantee that you're not gonna be disappointed making this. And just to show you what it looks like when you have a bite of this mini Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Please do like and subscribe. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye!